Hi, thanks for joining me tonight. I have been struggling with the dollhouse. I got this far, the Lori Holt stitch card, and it's beautiful. I love it. Now, the secondary border has baffled me. I've done it, and it didn't match up. Okay, I started here originally and went da-da-da-da-da-da-da, got all the way here, and it wasn't working out. And I was like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Luckily, my husband is a master stitcher. He grew up doing needlepoint. And so I asked him, I said, what am I doing wrong? And he showed me a trick. Okay, here we go. For all us new stitchers, what you wanna do is have a reference point approximately in the center, okay? This has to hit where this is. This one lines up with this. So on the chimney, so here I've got, let's see, that's going on, if I'm looking at this right, okay. On the left chimney, the third stitch, line of stitching, hits the bottom. So if I go up, now I'm gonna go up, and I'm gonna go, skip one, there's the border. Now, in that line, I'm going to stitch the next one and just go from there. And it should work out. I'll let you know. So that's my tip for the day. Use a reference point near the center for tricky borders. Straight borders, you can probably just put a dot where, you can line it up really easily, but the complicated one, the secondary borders with the little frills, sometimes a little tricky. So try that. My husband says it'll work, so we'll see. Anyway, hope you have a great stitching day. Thanks for stopping by the Closet Quilter.